privilege of participating in Tech 2026. This time we have displayed the highly technological machine for the different segments in Coimbatore. And the machine which I am standing is HP 5000. And it's a Huron-based model machine. And this machine we are mainly focusing for the general engineering and heavy engineering machineries. Which you are seeing is, we call it as GU85. It's a Huron model machine, 5-axis machine. And this machine, we are mainly focusing on the high precise engineering components. This machine, we call it as Tachyon 7. And this is a high-speed drill tap center, which is mainly used for the aluminum body components and high precise miniature components. This is our VMC model called VMC 850. It is also used for the die and mold applications. This machine is DXG 200 with inbuilt gantry model. This machine which we are focusing for high production components like flanges and shafts also. And this is a machine which mainly we are focusing for to reduce the manpower requirements.